Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the new line of GlassParency products. And today that's going to be the graphene spray coating. Now, this is one of my personal favorites because it's basically the re-engineered version of the graphene coating that GlassParency has to offer, except in a more user-friendly version, being able to spray it on. Now, what I really like is most traditional spray protectants are water-based. This is a solvent-based, so for that reason, it's going to be able to give you a lot more durability, a lot more bang for your buck in regards to how long the product will last. So this is a year-plus protectant, and it can be used as a standalone, which is great, but where I really like it is after laying down the GlassParency graphene itself, putting this on as a top coat. Because man, I'll tell you, the amount of gloss you get out of that combination is unmatched by far. And that's something that, you know, whether you use it as a standalone or put it on top of the graphene coating, it still performs in regards to being super glossy, super hydrophobic, and also super slick. And most of all, this is something that a DIY, an enthusiast, and or professional could have in their arsenal and really enjoy using it. And especially if you're a shop and you have employees, it's one of those things where you could give this to your employee and walk away and let them go to town on the application, and it's super friendly. You spray directly to the surface or a traditional coating applicator block, and you could spray it on there and go with that route of application as well. Either way, you're gonna have success in the end results of it being super glossy, super hydrophobic, and of course, having that nice slick surface that you would want with a graphene-based coating. So if you want more information about the GlassParency Graphene Spray Coating, visit autogeek.com.